Hi friends, welcome back to another video. This is just a quick update. A fan noticed that Utirelo has removed or archived pictures of her and Sibindi together on her Instagram feed. So this fan chose to hide their identity. She posted, because it has to be a she, waposta ke wathi umamkhulu has once again deleted pictures zebhubesi. And because I do not believe anything issue about Facebook, I had to go see for myself kuyona feed kaTirelo on Instagram to see if there are any changes, because I do know she does have a few photos of her and Usibindi and Inganyabo. And ke mengifika ngempela kwi-feed yakhe uTirelo, she has removed those pictures. Who's to say they are deleted? Asazi, maybe she just archived them as a strategy to get people talking. Utirelo is a very smart lady, and I think she knows as well ukuthi the most people abafuna ukubona ukuthi uzo-react kanjani, how she's feeling, what's going on empilweni yakhe, and not just ama-fans akhe but ama-fans kaVuyo. They want to see if she's getting the karma. They want to see if sebehlukene. They want to see ukuthi how she reacts to lama episode eswabukayo. But mina, I did see ukuthi she is still following Usibindi and Usibindi is still following her on Instagram. I think both fans kaTirelo and fans kaVuyo should not react to this. This might all just be strategy, which is very smart on their part, because yo guysini, that's what makes these shows such hits, because it draws attention, it draws speculation, it draws traffic, and it gets people wondering what's happening behind the scenes versus what is happening on the show, what's happening in reality on social media. So this all makes TV. So I think it's very smart of her to do that. On the other side, I would say ukuthi the best thing she can do is archive iy'thombe zakhe noSibindi indefinitely. Engasaposti nje ngoSibindi, whether she is still in a relationship with him or not. It's going to help her so much. And I'm willing to bet ukuthi she got advice from uBoyitepo, because I know ukuthi they are Instagram friends. Mhlampe umcebisile ukuthi, you know what, keep your relationship private. Take down all those pictures that you post on social media, whether niyathandana or anthandani. Get people thinking what they want to think, but if you have those pictures on your feed, guarantee people are gonna know ukuthi ni together. Then masenhlukene, people are gonna know because outside post food. So it's best ukuthi nje to take them down, whether you guys are happy or not. I think it's very smart. But this is what people said in reaction to this tiny change. Uthandiswa yena uthi, not me rushing to Instagram. Yo, same sis, same. Usandile yena uthi, hlezi nimcuphile vele. Yo, get a life. Vele uzodelete angithi ufuna nikhulume. Yo, which is true. Umakhe yena uthi, these people are acting. Usiyolise yena uthi, noma angazisusa lona akayindawo, wazitshela nje ukuthi uzobekezela kumnyama kubovu, uzibona nje yena ewuMrs Mseleko. Uthalitha yena uthi, it is either utsala fans zikaV uTirelo ufuna nicinge wohlukene noBhubesi. Aphenduleke othandekayo athi, asifuni ohlukane, sifuna ave kabuhlungu, wayecinga ba uzoba yedwa. Unokwanda yena uthi, udlala ngathi lona ufuna sikhomente and athole ama-fans nje, akavele nje angahoywa. U-Anonymous yena uthi, uzisuselani, kumele aqine abe strongo. Aphinde u-Anonymous athi, ubone uSibindi etshela ama-friends akhe ukuthi akayidingi approval yakhe uTirelo for ukulobola u-Amahle. Omunye ku-Anonymous akakholwa ukuthi uyidelethile, uthi she did not delete those pictures. And then amphenduleke u-Anonymous ocreate le post wathi, go check sisi, ayikho neyi-1. And then uNomtha athi, kanti bebemthembise ukuba uzoba umamkhulu yini? Kutholwani kanti ukuba ngumamkhulu kanti? That's her words. Kunjani ke manje makunje? Hayi ke sana, ngingathanda nje ukwazi ukuthi ngicabangani. Please comment down below and don't forget to like, share and most importantly subscribe. Nibe nosuku oluhle.